Hey, welcome back to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you'd like to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate if you purchase your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Today we're going to be looking at a Panerai. This is a 47mm PAM00968 submersible in chocolate dial with and this is a Bronzo watch. Has a bronze bezel and a matte brown dial. Now we're going to call it the model reference number PAM00968 for this review. Retail price on this watch as of 2022 is $17,800 US. So I'll be going over all the aspects of this watch: the case, bezel, dial, crown functions, as well as the movement and the strap. And I'll give some of my thoughts on this watch throughout the review. The PAM00968 watch is a 47mm watch from my thumb to my pointer finger here. It's just the case size. It's a large size even for most guys. So if you measure all the way out to the edge of the crown guard, you're looking at almost 55mm. That's pretty large. Standard size for Panerai is 44mm, so this one's rather large as well, especially on my medium-sized wrist. For reference, I have just under a 7-inch wrist, looking at 6.75. This watch looks pretty large on my wrist. This case is the same familiar case we expect to see from Panerai, but it's made of bronze, which has different characteristics, notably with oxidation and reactions with seawater. It creates this patina on the case. As a new watch, the sides and lugs of the case are brush finished. There's a titanium screw down case back in the back. You can see that it has an exhibition case back so you can see the movement. This case is rated 300 meters of water resistance, or 1,000 feet. It's okay for you to go swimming with this watch on your wrist. It is a submersible, but you might want to change out this strap. This watch comes with an additional diver strap, which comes in, I think it's an olive green color. It's going to be hard for me to carry this watch, but diving, this should be a pretty good watch to dive with. It has anti-clockwise rotatable bezel. Nice firm grip. Yeah, so this is a bronze bezel. It has a matte brown ceramic insert. And it makes for a nice contrast between the bezel and the case. 5-minute markers on this bezel are easy to see against this matte brown bezel. So yeah, the bezel is actually pretty hard to actually turn. They call it an anti-clockwise bezel, so it can only turn it one way. Normally we just call it a unidirectional bezel. Now going to the dial, we're looking at this non-reflective matte brown dial with luminous index markers and hour and minute hands. There's a small second hand at the 9 o'clock position, and there's a date function at the 3 o'clock. Let me move this hand out of the way so you can see that. Right now the date's set at 28. Yeah, you can see also the hands are skeletonized, so you can see the hour hand under the minute hand, or vice versa. You can see the minute hand under the hour hand. Nice bold look. It's easy for you to tell the time on this watch. There's no nonsense. There's not a lot of cluttering or busyness going around in the dial. The movement, actually going on the crown on the 3 o'clock position, you can be wound in its first position. Once you undo the lever on this guard, pretty easy to wind. 10 to 15 turns to get this watch moving. Once you're done that, you can actually, the middle position is actually to use the jump hour function, and I'll show you how that works. If you're in the middle position, you notice that only the hour hand is moving on this dial. And 2 times around, the dial is going to go ahead and adjust that date to the 28th. And then on to the 29th. So it does have a jump hour function. So it's pretty nice. Now once you have everything set, you can just pop down the crown using this lever. It's going to pop down everything and your watch is set. Now the movement that runs this beautiful watch is that caliber 9010. You can see it under the exhibition case back here. Has the hour, jump hour, minute, small seconds at 9 o'clock position, and date at the 3. Power reserve is about 3 days, so you can set this watch down on a Friday night, pick it back up on a Monday morning. It's still going to be keeping time. And because it's an automatic watch, it's self-winding, so as you're wearing it, it's going to wind itself. Going on the strap that holds this watch is a dark brown calfskin strap with beige stitching. Nice, bold. It's thick, so it's easy. It'll hold the watch, no problem. We have a titanium buckle here. Now for how I feel about this watch, this is a great everywhere watch for somebody who's not a medium-sized guy like me. You're probably going to need to be a large guy, maybe 6 feet tall, 200 pounds for this watch to look right on you. If you're like me, the 42mm PAM00968 Bronzo in blue will be a better fit for you. Now, if I could have this in a 42mm case, I'd be a buyer. Maybe Panerai will release something like that next year. If your wrist is larger than 7.5 inches, this watch might work for you. Now, if you want to know where to get this watch, we have it on our website at jazztime.com. Model reference number again is PAM968 or PAM00968. This is the Panerai 47mm PAM00968 Submersible Chocolate Dial Bronzo watch. Now again, we're an online store, so you can visit us in the comfort of your own home. Go to jazztime.com. Thank you for watching.
More about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.